Another day, another story. The Stavros Niarchos Foundation Cultural Center is a modern cultural complex located in Athens, Greece. It was designed by the renowned architect Renzo Piano, and it features a wide range of facilities, including a park, a performing arts center, and the National Library of Greece. The history of the Stavros Niarchos Foundation Cultural Center can be traced back to the early 21st century, when the Stavros Niarchos Foundation, a philanthropic organization, pledged to donate over €600 million to fund the construction of the complex. The complex was designed to serve as a center of cultural and artistic activity in Athens, and it was designed to be both functional and aesthetically pleasing. The center's facilities were designed to be eco-friendly and sustainable, with a focus on energy efficiency and environmental sustainability. The Stavros Niarchos Foundation Cultural Center opened to the public in 2016, and it has since become one of the most important cultural institutions in the city. The center's park is a popular destination for locals and visitors alike, offering a serene oasis in the heart of the city. The center's performing arts center is also a major attraction, featuring a wide range of performances and events, including music, dance, theater, and more. The center's National Library of Greece is a state-of-the-art facility that features a wide range of books, manuscripts, and other materials. With its modern facilities and commitment to sustainability, the Stavros Niarchos Foundation Cultural Center is a must-see destination for anyone visiting Athens. It provides a unique and contemporary perspective on the rich history and cultural heritage of Greece, and it is a testament to the enduring legacy of this fascinating civilization. The Odeon of Herodes Atticus is an ancient theater located on the southwest slope of the Acropolis in Athens, Greece. The theater was originally built in 161 AD by Herodes Atticus, a wealthy Roman aristocrat, in memory of his wife, and it was used for a wide range of performances, including drama, music, and poetry. The Odeon was one of the most impressive theaters in ancient Greece, with a capacity of over 5,000 spectators. It was constructed using Pentelic marble, and it featured intricate decorations and details, including sculptures, mosaics, and paintings. Over time, the Odeon fell into disuse, and it was largely forgotten. It was not until the 19th century that the theater was rediscovered, and a number of important archaeological excavations were conducted. Today, the Odeon of Herodes Atticus has been restored and is used for a wide range of cultural performances and events. The theater is known for its excellent acoustics, and it is a popular destination for both local and international performers. In recent years, the theater has hosted a wide range of concerts, including performances by some of the world's most famous musicians and artists. It has also been used for theatrical productions, dance performances, and other cultural events. With its rich history and cultural significance, the Odeon of Herodes Atticus is a must-see destination for anyone interested in ancient Greek and Roman history, as well as for those who appreciate the performing arts. It is a unique and timeless testament to the enduring legacy of Greece's rich cultural heritage. The Athens Central Market, also known as the Varvakios Agora, is a lively and colorful market located in the heart of Athens, Greece. The market is an important center of commerce and cultural activity in the city, and it is a popular destination for locals and visitors alike. The history of the Athens Central Market can be traced back to the early 20th century, when the market was established to provide a centralized location for the buying and selling of fresh produce, meat, and fish. The market quickly became a hub of activity, with merchants from all over Greece coming to sell their wares. Over time, the market expanded and underwent several renovations and expansions. Today, the market is a sprawling complex that includes a wide range of stalls and shops, selling everything from fresh fruits and vegetables to meat, fish, and spices. The Athens Central Market is known for its lively and colorful atmosphere, with vendors shouting out their wares and customers bargaining for the best prices. It is a unique and authentic glimpse into the daily life of the city, and it is a testament to the enduring legacy of Greece's rich culinary heritage. Visitors to the market can explore the stalls and shops, sampling a wide range of fresh and delicious foods, including local specialties like feta cheese, olives, and honey. The market is a must-see destination for anyone interested in experiencing the rich cultural and culinary traditions of Greece. The Museum of Cycladic Art is a museum located in Athens, Greece. The museum is dedicated to the art and culture of the Cyclades Islands in the Aegean Sea, and it features a wide range of artifacts and exhibits that showcase the unique artistic and cultural traditions of the region. The history of the Museum of Cycladic Art can be traced back to the early 1980s, when the Nicholas and Dolly Goulandris Foundation began collecting artifacts and works of art from the Cyclades Islands. The foundation was established to promote the cultural and artistic heritage of Greece, and it quickly became one of the most important cultural institutions in the country. Over time, the foundation's collection grew to include a wide range of artifacts, including sculptures, pottery, and other objects. In 1986, the foundation opened the Museum of Cycladic Art to the public, with the goal of showcasing the rich artistic and cultural traditions of the Cyclades Islands. Today, the Museum of Cycladic Art is one of the most important cultural institutions in Greece. The museum's exhibits cover a wide range of topics, including the art and culture of the Cyclades Islands, as well as the broader cultural history of Greece. Visitors to the museum can explore the exhibits and see a wide range of objects and artifacts, including some of the most impressive examples of Cycladic art in the world. The museum is a must-see destination for anyone interested in the rich artistic and cultural traditions of Greece, and it provides a unique and fascinating glimpse into the history and heritage of this fascinating region. The Kaisariani Monastery is a historic monastery located on the slopes of Mount Hymettus, just outside Athens, Greece. The monastery is an important cultural and religious center in the region, and it is known for its beautiful Byzantine frescoes and mosaics. The history of the Kaisariani Monastery can be traced back to the Byzantine period, when it was founded as a small chapel by a local hermit. Over time, the chapel grew in size and importance, and it became an important center of worship and spiritual activity in the region. During the 11th and 12th centuries, the monastery was expanded and renovated, and it was decorated with a wide range of intricate and beautiful frescoes and mosaics. These works of art are some of the finest examples of Byzantine art in Greece, and they provide a unique and fascinating glimpse into the artistic and cultural traditions of the period. Over time, the monastery fell into disuse and was largely forgotten. It was not until the 19th century that the site was rediscovered, and a number of important archaeological excavations were conducted. Today, the Kaisariani Monastery is a popular destination for tourists and locals alike. Visitors can explore the site and see the well-preserved frescoes and mosaics, as well as the beautiful gardens and surrounding area. The monastery is a testament to the enduring legacy of Byzantine art and culture, and it is a must-see destination for anyone interested in the rich cultural heritage of Greece. Thanks for watching.